Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. Today I am sharing my real experience with the PVY Z20 Plus 1000 electric bike. I have been using it for about 6 months here in the UK, mainly for the commuting and sometimes for delivery work. Let me tell you what's good, what's bad and some things you really need to know. This bike comes with a very powerful 1000-watt motor and that really helps you when you are going up hills. Even with backpack or delivery bag, it climbs easily. It has a 48-volt 60 ampere hour battery which gives me around 25 to 30 km range in hilly areas and up to 50 to 60 km on flat roads. That's from my real life use. The tires are 20-inch fat tires, great for off-road, countryside or even it's wet or snowy. It also comes front suspension which makes the rider smoother. There's a 7-speed Shimano gear system and the bike frame is foldable so you can easily carry it in a car or store it at home. The best things about this bike is definitely the power. I ride it 25 km each way to work and with this bike I don't worry about hills or wind. It feels strong and smooth. The fat tires also give a very stable ride even when the road is wet or bumpy. It doesn't slip. I also like the battery is removable. You can take it inside to charge and usually it takes 5 to 6 hours to full charge. For a delivery or daily commuting, I think this bike does a great job. Now let's talk about some problems. The biggest issue I had was with the right brake. It was leaking from the first day start. I messaged customer service many times for 4-5 months but they still didn't solve it. That was really frustrating. The another important thing, this bike can be unlocked the speed. It can go up to 50 km per hour but in the UK e-bikes are only road legal if they are under 250 watts and go no faster than 25 km per hour. So if you ride the bike 40 to 50 km per hour, that will be an issue. So if you unlock the speed and ride on public roads, police can stop you, fine you or even they take your bike. Be careful. I personally keep the speed limited when I ride for the work. But if you ride in the hilly track, if you ride in the off-road, then you can unlock the speed. But always remember, don't violate the rules. Always obey the rules. Always follow the traffic rules. So in the conclusion, the PVY Z20 Plus 1000 model is very powerful, comfortable and great for long rides or hills. But yes, customer service needs more improvement and you must be careful with UK e-bike laws. So I definitely recommend those people who need the power, who are riding in the hilly areas or in the seaside where too much windy. If you find this helpful, give a like, drop a comment. If you want to know something else about this bike, please leave a comment. Thanks for watching the video and as always, ride safe and stay legal. Goodbye, see you in the next video.